Good morning. The other day, that means day before yesterday, I have discussed with you about the Supreme Court decision about maintenance of history sheet, how to maintain the history sheet and other things. So for that, I have told you that I will go through the book, Tamil Nadu Police Handbook. Tamil Nadu Police Handbook. Probably uh, it is not uh, properly visible. See, I want to, since I have gone through the entirety of this police standing order manual, I want to refer some of the provisions. That is PSO 182. The subordinate's case diary should be countersigned by the superior office. That is important thing. Then Police Standing Order 185 deals with the inspector shall send a diary in Form 14. Will cover the 24 hours from 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. So this is most important provisions. Then thereafter, you see, general diary. The primary duty of the head constable, that is Police Standing Order 202. Primary duty of head constable on general duty in a police station is to supervise the work of the constable and to see their instruction. He shall perform any duties allotted to him by the station house officer, whom he will accompany for investigation when required. He will also available for employment in charge of a guard or escort. You should visit all villages in the station jurisdiction at least once in a quarter. This is a general diary of the head constable. Then Inspector case diary. Inspector shall forward to their immediate superior with the diary of the day case diaries in cases investigated by themselves. Then that is 211. Then you see the investigating officer. Police Standing Order 226 says investigating officer should as a rule attend sessions during the trial of a case. Circle inspector will however attend sessions in all important cases. So that is not being complied, that everybody knows. Then station crime history 455. To facilitate the study of crime and criminals, station crime history will be maintained in all stations. It is confidential record and consists of 4 parts. So that is important. Then 492. Case diaries of officers of criminal investigation department are subject to the same rules as those of the district police, except that in cases in which investigation is completely taken over by the crime branch. So that is most important. Then the case diaries of officers of the criminal investigation are subject to the same rules as that of the district police. Then section 500 says, before that 499. Police Research Center. Police Research Center must keep so many records, particularly modus operandi bureau. That you have to go through that. That is not that much of, if you are interested you can go through that. Then Tamil Nadu Forensic Science Laboratory, that deals with the Police Standing Order 497. Then they say if a dangerous criminal is released, that should be Notice of such individual shortly before is published the criminal investigation gazette that about the release of dangerous criminals. That should contain concise history of the criminals. Then one of the most important duties of the criminal investigation department is to keep watch over the moments of such moments of and such superintendents with information concerning the most notorious and dangerous criminals, as this will be great advantage to district. Then there, after 501 police standing says, superintendent should report the criminal direct conviction of any criminal included in the proceeding order or any other criminal whose release notice he considers should be published. That notice should contain the personal description, brief history of the individual, dealing his criminal career and criminal perpetrators, the probable date of release and jail in which he is confined. Then about FIR and other things we will deal with in a different chapter. See, after going through all these things, 615, the movements and activities of all dossier criminals should be promptly reported to the Crime Record Bureau by the outstation officer. It should be sent monthly. The name of persons known or suspected to be active habitual criminals who pass out of view and of any person wanted by the police will be communicated to the bureau. The modus operandi, sphere of operations, names and address of relatives and associates and places likely to visit. The arrest of any such person should be similarly communicated, noting particulars of the arrest and the circumstances of the arrest. This is most important. Then general diary, general section diary, all are there. That is, we will deal with later. Then they see, apart from the bad persons, there shall be notified offenders. Following personal records of the notified shall be maintained in the station in the limit of which they reside. That is Police Standing Order 735. A personal sheet for each notified offender causing details of his habitual offender number with the criminal tribe registration number if any, movement sheets, current doings, copy of original notification, copies of subsequent notification, and so many things have been given. Then question arises, history sheet. The 746 deals with the history sheet. Form 4, form number 111 shall contain the history sheet of the person resident permanently or temporarily in their station limits who are known or believed to be addicted to or to aid and abet the commission of crime, whether convicted or not, or who are believed to be habitual receivers. This is most important. Then automatic opening of history sheets. For the following reasons, the history sheet shall be automatically opened. So many things are given, those who are convicted and punished. Then discontinuance of history sheet. Discontinuance of history sheet may be available. Then 749 deals with suspects. The following persons shall be classed as suspects and history sheet shall be opened for them under order of the superintendent divisional officer. Then again suspect are something different from convict persons. Then all register of rowdies should be kept same type of watch as envisaged registered suspect. Rowdies are often employed for committing breach of peace. All these things have been given. Period of retention of history sheets of suspects. History sheets shall be maintained from the date of registration up to the end of December, after which orders officer and the rank of assistant superintendent. This is most. Thereafter, persons to be closely watched. So many characters. Close watch bad character. That in the Delhi model rules, but here in Tamil Nadu rules, they have everything in perfect, in conformity with the Supreme Court judgment. After going through the entire police standing order, bad character role. Then death of registered habitual criminal. Here, this is most important for young lawyers. That is chapter 44. 44 deals with Tamil Nadu Restriction of Habitual Offenders Act and the Tamil Nadu Restriction of Habitual Offender Rules, wherein you can apply for removal of custody of this history sheet record. So kindly see that this is had happened. Best wishes. I will contact you next time with further details.